New today, despite the rain clouds gathering over the division athletic meet, the competition couldn't be brighter. Julia Problas is live at the opening ceremony with all the action. Julia, what's the atmosphere there?
Jasmine, you said it right. Rain or shine, the division athletic meet 2024 spirit is shining through. The parade of athletes pushed through despite heavy rains. Athletes from 11 districts march into the grandstand with their own district salutes identifying them uniquely.
Excited once in a lifetime na siya mahitabo.
Yes. Marking the joyous return of this event, 11 representatives from district coordinating principals, DepEd officials, and PRISA president raised their district banners high, officially representing their teams. This year's theme, Batang Malakas, Bansang Matatag, emphasizes the importance of sports for young people and its role in uniting the nation. This is Julia Pavlas, broadcasting real stories on real time. Back to studio.
Julia, will all of the events take place at the Mopak Grandstand alone?
Jasmine, some of the venues that will be used this year are Mubod Barangay Hall, Division Conference Hall, and Oroquieta City Elementary School.
Thank you, Julie. At the opening ceremony of the 2024 Ascenso Division Athletic Meet, the honor squad of District 10 performed an exhibition at the Misamis Occidental Provincial Athletic Complex Grandstand. Even though Arnis is meant for competition, the skill demonstration shows off the athletes' Arnis prowess, highlighting dynamism and weaponry skills, which grabbed the audience's attention and hooked them in awe. Meanwhile, Namara medalists cheer the city meet light torching. Jello Pastrano for the details.
Gold medalist Jidan Haynes Lumantas and Abdul Rashid Batigas in the 2023 Northern Mindanao Regionals Athletic Association superheaded the torch lighting ceremony for the Division Athletic Meet 2024. Joining them were the silver medalists Fuji Quending and Jeniel Garcines as they together ignited the torch. Adding to the solemnity of the occasion are Alexis Jindal C. Martinez, 2023 Namra silver medalist in basketball, who led the oath of amateurism, and Deputy Sports Officer Raymond S. Atay for the oath of officials.
Blue. All athletes, please stand and raise your right hand and repeat after me.
As the officiating officials of
Meanwhile, School Superintendent Jean G. Veloso officially opened the 3-day sports event emphasizing this year's theme, Batang Malakas, Bansang Matatag. This is Jello Pastrano, your voice when it comes to sports.
And those are the latest for the SAR. Stay updated for more news. This has been Jasmine Wilson. Thank you for watching.